The judges have reached a decision.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.
Chef Bobby Flay.
Bobby Flay.
I really like the chocolate filling. It was nice and moussey, but the raspberry seems a little bit like an afterthought.
I like that this one used pastry cream as a filling for the eclair. I think technically it left a bit to be desired, but for me it's all about how it tastes, and at the end of the day, this tasted like something I would finish.
The judges have voted, and the winner is Bobby Flay.
I don't agree with the judges. If the French were here, they'd be on my side.
I mean, pastry is no longer a viable way to win here anymore.
From a presentation perspective, it's quite inviting. The broth is fantastic. Love the clear nature.
The broth itself was missing flavor. It needed a little bit more depth. The beef was really amazing. Every bite was incredibly tender. In terms of the flavor profile, it's not pho. It's more reminiscent of a different Vietnamese noodle soup called ba ca.
They like the flavor profile of Bobby's dish, but if the judges go on tradition, I think I'm going to win this one.
This is a split decision.
And the winner is Chef Bobby Flay.
I felt like if I had to finish a bowl, this would be the one that I would enjoy the most. So at the end of the day, it came down to flavor for me.
The beef, it's cooked perfectly. The roasted garlic aioli is delicious. And I think that the pickled red onion and horseradish just blended brightness. This is a beautiful roll, but just a little toast on it would have elevated the sandwich.
This is an extremely comforting dish, rich broth, a lot of porcini flavor in there. The sandwich itself smothered with all these delicious ingredients that complement the meatiness.
I should have toasted that bread longer, and I'm really worried that I'm not gonna win.
And the winner is
Chef Bobby Flay.
I love that it's split and it's griddled. Gives a lot of flavor. Chili's got nice kick. One thing that I'm missing, I want more cheese.
It's a gorgeous looking hot dog. It really, really is. Very, very well built. The idea of a turkey chili and using something a little bit healthier in a hot dog that is, full of overindulgence is a fantastic idea. But the ingredients for me are a little bit muddled.
And the winner is... How does he do it? Bobby Flay.
I thought we had this one.
The steak itself was beautifully cooked, well seasoned, and maitake mushroom is so beautiful. Great pairing with this dish. But the stock itself, a little under-seasoned.
I'm loving that sharpness with the cheese, and the pickled shallots is cutting that nicely. And I think the sauce is seasoned nicely.
I think my chances are really good because my maitake mushroom stands out. But if Bobby wins this, it's gonna be because of the pickled shallots.
We have a split decision, as they say in boxing, and the winner is Bobby Flay.
Oh, wow. I thought you had me.
As they say in Austria, I'll be back.